role I have at Falls is helping out on the DJ stage, and I've been sitting with the sound techs and they're showing me how to mix.
Hi, Full Festival, I am a camera operator, so I'm working at the back on the big cameras and then at the front in the pits on the cameras right up on the screen.
So I'm a production team intern and I've chosen to be on the main stage, which means I'm helping with the set changes between different artists performing.
So this experience is going to benefit me, I reckon, a lot. Me and a couple of friends, we're going to start a production company, and we have a friend who's a DJ, so we're really like wanting to get into the live music scene and do all that. So just seeing how it all works behind the scene, how you've got to set everything up, make sure everything's prepared and not going to fall apart.
This has benefited my future career by getting knowledge from people in the field and by sitting and watching, because I love to just soak it all in.
I think this experience will really benefit me because I get to see and learn about all the different moving parts for something like a festival, which is something that I haven't personally had much experience in. And I also get to talk to people about how they got to where they are and hopefully make some more connections, although over just a few days. I'm not sure how long lasting those will be, but I'm still going to learn heaps while I'm here.